Hello everyone. की हाल चाल? How are you, कोको? आप सोते जाओ, किसी को पूछ भी लो कि सब लोग कैसे हैं. हाँ, सब लोगों को पूछ लो, सब आंटी को कैसे हैं सब लोग. Okay, मैं ही पूछ लेती हूँ आप लोगों को. How are you all? So today I am making this video. I don't know why. Basically, yeah, I know why. So I'm sure you all have come across this term army brat, right? So what is an army brat? It does not mean कि फौजियों के बिगड़े हुए बच्चे. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. It is something the army kids use with a lot of pride from our generation and thereafter also. So it's like an abbreviation which means born, raised and transferred. Yeah, and मैं तो कहती हूँ थोड़ा और लंबा होना चाहिए. The moment you settle down in a school, you are transferred. The moment you settle down in a house, you are transferred. ये 3 साल 2 साल वाला तो रूल होता ही नहीं है. I remember my husband being transferred every 10 months. So there were 5 transfers which we had. We moved stations 5 times every 10 months. So 5 साल हम यही करते रहे. Anyways, nevertheless, getting to the point. So you are posted in such areas with my dad also. And then when I got married, you get posted to such areas where basic भी चीज़ें कभी-कभी नहीं होती हैं. And I'm not talking about food and bakery and all of those things. केक बनाया, ये सीखा मैंने, वहाँ सीख. वो सब ठीक है, normal है. But one thing that I learned. So there was this place. I had just gotten married and we moved there. And उसके बाद तो multiple times we went to places जहाँ पे ये facilities नहीं होती थी. So there was no parlor basically, है ना? अब not that I do have too much hair growth, but नहीं, फिर भी मतलब cockroaches जैसे eyebrows हो जाते हैं after when you have not got your threading done for 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Can you imagine? तो वो भी ज़माना था. Luckily COVID के बाद वो आ गया. You trim your brows and you're good. So what I learned, there was a party that I had to attend and my hair was looking, मतलब मैं कुछ भी कर रही थी वो सेट ही नहीं हो रहे थे, कुछ अजीब से हो रहे थे, सब थे ना बिल्कुल तीखे तीखे खड़े हो रहे थे. That day I got the courage and I did something and I tried to trim my hair. उस ज़माने में से step cut कहते थे, then they were called layers and now they're called the wolf cut. And now I shall open my clip and show you another talent that I have. And you have my number. Call me if you want the services and I shall also give you the cut in case of emergency. Here, how do you like it? देखा, बढ़िया लग रहा है ना? इतने लेजी हैं कि पार्लर जाने को तो टाइम नहीं था. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं है, कल हम करवा लेंगे बाद में, बट आज हेयर कट जरूर खुद ले लेते हैं. Let me know how you like it.